On Windows 11, you can use Update History to see a list of updates installed on the device. When you want to check if a new update was installed successfully or failed to apply, the Windows 11 Update History can also come in handy when you know more about your recently installed quality updates or one of them is causing issue and you need to uninstall it. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to check Windows Update History on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click Windows Update. Click the Update History button. Check the recent history of updates installed on your computer, including quality updates, drivers, definition updates, and optional updates. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.